Are you filming videos for social media? Don't know what dimensions to film your video in? In this super short video, I'm going to go over the dimensions that you should film your video in. Whether you're going to film social media videos for YouTube, Instagram stories, IGTV, Facebook, or if you're filming for a webinar, masterclass, or even videos for a summit. Keep watching to find out the perfect dimensions to film your video in. Hi there, Paigon here. Welcome back to my channel. A few weeks ago, I was editing videos for a summit. Each speaker filmed their own video and then turned them in. I was so shocked at the different dimensions that people chose for their videos. Video dimensions are important because they can basically make your videos look crappy. For example, YouTube. The standard YouTube video dimensions are 1080p, which is basically like the television dimensions. So that's 1920 by 1080. You can even get away with 720p, which is 1280 by 720. If you film your video at 360 and then try to make it 720 or 1080, then your video will be pixelated. If you're watching this video, then I'm assuming that you're filming a video for your business and not making a movie. With that in mind, you can ignore 4K, 5K, 8K, basically all the Ks. All this is going above and beyond anything that you're going to create. The equipment for this will cost a lot and it'll take up too much space on your computer and your hard drive. If you have the money and the resources, then go ahead. But for everybody else, you can just stick to 1080 or 720. They're both standard for HD, but if you have to pick, then pick 1080. You can use 1080 for most videos like YouTube, Vimeo, and Facebook. I want to point out that your phone is the answer to everything. Most phones film at 1080p. You can film landscape for YouTube, Facebook, Vimeo, and so on. Or you can film in portrait mode, or I should say portrait, whenever you're filming for Instagram or IGTV. No matter which way you'll film on your phone, the dimensions will be perfect. Actually, I also want to mention that the camera on the back of your phone is better quality than the camera on the front. So if you're filming videos and you want to decide between filming from the back camera or the front camera, remember that the front camera will always be lower quality. If you're using a webcam like I am, or actually using a camera to film your videos, then make sure you go to your settings and check to see if it's at 1080p. I also want to quickly mention QuickTime and Zoom. Some of you might be filming videos for YouTube or for your webinar or summit videos or masterclass. You might be using QuickTime and Zoom for that. If you're using those programs, make sure you go to the setting and see that you're filming at 1080p or that the video is exported at 1080p. If you don't have the option of 1080p, then 720p is also a good option. I also want to touch on Instagram and Instagram stories, or I should say IGTV and Instagram stories. The dimensions for that platform is 1920 by 1080. Usually whenever you're filming, you're usually using your phone anyway, so you just have to use, make sure it's portrait. But if you're repurposing your YouTube videos or Facebook videos to IGTV or Instagram stories, I just wanted to let you know or be aware that the dimensions are different. So that's it. The thing you need to remember the most when filming videos is basically 1080p. Did I say that enough? So no matter what, except for IGTV and IG stories, the best dimension to film at is 1080p. But if you can't do 1080, then 720 is also a good option. Were you already filming at 1080p or 720p? Type a yes or no in the comments below. Do you need help creating videos? Download my step-by-step video creation process. I'll link it down below. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, share with your friends, and hit the like button so I can be sure to make more videos like this. Until next week, bye.